Today is a very previous day because I have invited Miss Priyanka Chopra. You know Miss Priyanka Chopra?
Yes.
She is a very famous actress. And I am your very big fan, ma'am. So please come here. And please clap for her. And please sit. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, and you?
I am also fine. So, ma'am, would you like to take?
No, thanks.
So, ma'am, I want to ask questions. So, please give me answer.
But we said we want to ask question.
So, ma'am, first question is, how was your restart journey?
Actually, when I was studying in 10th class, so our neighbor was torturing me. They were saying that you can't do in your life, and you are girl, you can't do this anything. And when I was talking with any boys, they were thinking wrong types. They were thinking she's a girl, guys, she's talking, and she's going wrong directions. She should not do like this. And no one was helping me, only my father and mother. When I was in 10th class, so in 10th class, too much I was doing performance drama and comedy and etc. I was doing. So my father and mother was helping me. They were saying that I will help you and how many you want to waste the money, so I will waste the money. So due to my father and mother, I have reached here.
Interesting in act.
I'm too much interesting. I want to do like this acting, and when I was doing so, I got prize in schools, and my act all students and all teachers and all people likes me. That's it.
Ma'am, please tell me how much money you earn in one day?
In one day, I earned only 10 crore rupees.
Really?
110 crore.
Really?
Yeah, of course.
So, what do you do with this money?
This is secret I can't share with you.
Ma'am, please tell me how much money invest in makeup?
One foundation is 1 lakh rupees. And all makers has wasted the money 1 crore, 2 crores. That's common.
Ma'am, would you
I have a lot of fans, but I am fan of Kareena Kapoor. And because of Kareena is too much good actress, and her act is very good. And I also want to do like her.
why are you like Kareena Kapoor?
As I have told you that she's a too good actress, and she's looking beautiful, and she has confidence for doing any movies and etc.
So today I'm very happy because you come here and give time. So ma'am, I want to take your autograph.